I did a little burning with a laser. It's a piece of maple that I turned on a lathe, and then I decided to burn this picture of a bird in it, and finished it with clear coat. That's it. So,
What sort of laser are you using in your shop?
sorry?
The laser
Oh,
machine?
it's an Atom Stack. It's a used, an older one I picked up used, and still learning it. And it's quite a curve to learn, but it coming along slowly. You know, you get to try a lot of test pieces, and then when you get the setting right, then you think you maybe got it right, you don't. So then go again, you know. So a lot of sanding, a lot of wiping it back off, and put it back on the lathe, wipe it down. So it gets thinner and thinner as time goes by.
Okay, questions? All right, thanks, Joe.